Hello, I'm Jason Plotkin, CEO and Managing Attorney at the Pinder Plotkin legal team. Today, we're talking about one of the fastest growing sports in the country, pickleball. As its popularity rises, more communities, parks, and private facilities are adding courts. But with that comes an increase in injuries and, potentially, personal injury claims. In this video, we'll explore how the rise of pickleball impacts liability for those managing these courts and what steps you can take to protect both players and your organization. Pickleball has become a go-to sport in communities across the country. It's easy to learn, suitable for all ages, and promotes an active lifestyle. Cities, parks, and private clubs are investing in building courts to meet the demand. But as more people hit the court, we're seeing an uptick in injuries. For facility owners and managers, this creates a new challenge: how to provide a safe environment while minimizing legal risk. Some of the most common injuries we see in pickleball are sprained ankles, wrist fractures, and head injuries from falls or collisions. Overuse injuries, particularly to the shoulder and knee, are also prevalent. While these injuries may seem like part of any physical activity, if they're caused by unsafe conditions, like uneven courts, poor lighting, or inadequate safety features, facility owners could be held liable. Understanding this risk is crucial to minimizing potential lawsuits. As pickleball continues to grow in popularity, so do the number of personal injury cases related to the sport. When a player gets hurt due to negligence, whether it's because of poor court maintenance or inadequate safety measures, the facility can be held responsible. If a court is poorly designed or improperly maintained, injured players may have grounds for a legal claim. These cases often seek compensation for medical bills, lost wages, and other damages, making it essential for facilities to proactively mitigate risks. One of the most effective ways to reduce liability is by ensuring your pickleball courts are built by experienced contractors. Proper court construction plays a huge role in minimizing injuries. Professional contractors understand the safety standards required for surfaces, drainage, and court design, which helps prevent accidents like slips, trips, and falls. By using qualified contractors, communities, parks, and private facilities not only protect players, but also shield themselves from legal action. A well-built court designed with the proper materials and layout is essential for both safety and liability protection. For those managing pickleball courts, whether in public parks, private clubs, or community centers, legal liability should be a top concern. Unsafe conditions such as cracks in the court, slippery surfaces, or poor lighting can lead to injuries and potential lawsuits. Regular maintenance is just as important as construction. Facility managers need to perform routine checks to ensure courts are safe, up to code, and free of hazards. Additionally, having proper insurance coverage can provide a financial safety net in the event of an injury claim. In conclusion, as pickleball continues to grow, so does the potential for injuries and liability. For communities, parks, and private facilities, it's crucial to take steps to minimize risk by hiring experienced contractors and maintaining safe courts. Not only does this protect players, but it also safeguards your organization from costly legal claims. If you have any questions about your facility's liability, or if someone has been injured on your court, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Pinder Plotkin. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and stay safe on the courts.